Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account details and verifying identity. That moves the call forward. Call T-Mobile customer service at the official number, press for account support, and when connected, state you want to cancel a specific line. Provide your account number, the line phone number, and your PIN or password when asked. If you plan to port the number, say so now. If not, explicitly request release and final billing. This avoids delays and sets expectations immediately. Once on the line, verify billing details and any early termination fees. Understand how proration works and what your final charge will be. If you are porting the number, request the port out PIN and provide it to your new carrier. That prevents accidental cancellations. Make sure you schedule the porting window so service is not interrupted. Ask the representative for a cancellation confirmation number and their name, and note the time and final balance for your records before ending the call. To finish, confirm the exact cancellation date, the final balance, and whether you'll receive a refund or remaining credits. Log into your online account or app to ensure the line shows canceled and to capture the confirmation number and message. If the line remains active or charges continue, call back immediately, request escalation to retention or a supervisor, and provide your confirmation number. If unresolved, document all interactions and consider filing a formal complaint.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.